Hi everyone, Coach Betty here. I wanted to talk to you today about Huntr, so I want to make this quick video. I want to talk about one of the most important parts of the job search that no one really talks about, and it's the research and learning. So especially when you're starting a new industry, it can feel like a guessing game. How do you know what skills companies are looking for? What's the right language to use on your resume? And that's where Huntr comes in. It's not just a tracking tool, it's your personal library for learning the industry. And I want to show you how you can use it to get ahead. So let me start sharing my screen or go through some important screens here. So right now you're looking at the Huntr board, but sometimes some of you have jobs saved and applied to on LinkedIn, Indeed, Welcome to the Jungle, Ada, built in. So when you're on all those different websites and saving jobs, they're all in separate places and it's hard to see the big picture. That's where Huntr can definitely help. So in one screen, in one dashboard, where you can save all of these jobs in one place, it allows you to learn the language as you save the jobs. You'll start to see a pattern in the skills and keywords, and this helps you understand what the industry is looking for and what to put on your resume. So then some of you may, if you've met with me already, I talk a lot about how the job description is the recipe for the job, and our skill set are the ingredients, and we need them to match correctly. Sometimes we have a ton of skills. We can't put all of that on our resume. Or sometimes we have this related experience, but we're not using the exact same language that they use. So we want to get to know what that is and what's the language used in this new industry that we're doing already. So doing this research and learning and saving it in Huntr can really help. So it will keep your research. So a job description that might be online today but might be gone tomorrow, that's something that happens a lot. So Huntr's Chrome extension saves all of the information, so you have a permanent record, and that's really a game changer for interview prep, because let's say 1 or 2 months from now you get contacted for this job and you have completely kind of forgotten about it, and you want to go back to the job to read about it, and you save the website but it's no longer there, and that happens a lot. And then you can't adequately prepare without having to maybe call back the recruiter and ask them to maybe give you that information again, and that's just, you might not be able to get a hold of them. So having the Huntr Chrome extension capture that for you is really really great. So let me show you the Huntr Chrome extension. This is what it should look like. I'm going to include a link to it. It's very easy. You do have to be on the Chrome browser, so if you like using Firefox or Mozilla or something else, or Safari, then this is specific to Chrome. So definitely need to add it in there. And then after that, after you have it added on, it makes things a little easier. So let's do a quick walkthrough. So you'll need the Chrome extension, you'll download that. Now imagine you're on LinkedIn and you find a job you love. And instead of just bookmarking it, which you can do, I believe it's here somewhere, or let's see this job. But you see this little icon down here? That's Huntr. So Huntr will grab all of that for you. So save to job board. See how it's filling in the name of the company, the job title, the location. Like, if you don't have the Huntr Chrome extension, you have to capture all of that information yourself. You have to highlight, cut, paste. And then here's the really nice part. It grabs all of the information and then you add it to your board, which would end up over here somewhere in your wish list. And you can see this person added from their wish list. Huntr does this insights, which is really great, of the job description. It will bring up in purple some of the hard skills, in green, and then the purple's technology. So it just depends. But this edit, that's where you can go ahead and change and read everything about the job description. So it saves it there for you, which is a nice research tool to keep track of all of the searching you're doing. So it creates this Huntr dashboard, your research library, and that's what I like to point everyone to use their wish list for. Not just jobs you want to apply to, but jobs you want to save for all of the information you're learning. And that's about everything. There's a lot more you can do in Huntr, but I feel like those are the main points. And good luck out there.